All right, so what if I give you a problem and I don't tell you what property to use? Well, then you need to figure out what property you have and then how to set up the equation and solve for it. So when I'm looking at number 1, these share a common point. So these are vertical angles, and I'm going to set them equal. Vertical angles are always set equal. So that's going to be 6x plus 4 equals 88. So I'll subtract 4. So 6x equals 84. And when I divide by 6, x equals 14. The next problem, I see that right angle. That right angle tells me that I'm dealing with complementary angles. So if I have complementary angles, that means that I have A plus B equals 90. So I will set that up as 2x plus the x plus 12 equals 90. I'm going to need to combine like terms, so I'm going to combine my x's, 2x and 1x. Remember there is a coefficient of 1 here, so then when I combine those, I get 3x plus 12 equals 90, and I subtract 12 on both sides. So then I'm left with 3x equals 78. And when I divide both sides by 3, then I find that x equals 16. The next angles show a linear pair. That's because they are on a straight angle and they share a side. So that means that they're supplementary. So I'm going to set up my equation. A plus B equals 180. So I'm going to do 6x plus 5 plus 3x plus 13 equals 180. And I have a few different things that I need to combine like terms for. So I'm going to combine the 6 and the 3. And then I will combine the 5 and the 13. So that will leave me with 9x plus 18 equals 180. Now I have a two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 18 on both sides, and that will then give me 9x equals 162. And when I divide by 9, I get that x is equal to 18. Same thing is happening on this last one. I once again have a linear pair. So I can take both of those angles, x minus 15 plus 2x equals 180, and combine like terms. So I'm going to combine the x and the 2x. Remember, that's really a 1x. So then that will give me 3x minus 15 equals 180. I can add 15 to both sides. So then I'm left with 3x equals 195. And when I divide by 3, my answer is x equals 65. So we have problems where we're told which way to solve them, and we have problems where we have to decide what relationship we have and then set up our equation correctly.